Good day, campers. Today's project is we're going to replace the top to the attic vent on my fifth wheel RV. As you can see, this thing's been up here in the weather. It's roughly 6 years old. Between the sun and other aspects of the weather, it's gotten brittle and all broken up. I bought the entire new piece, but all I'm going to replace is the top. You can see this is threaded. This is the female side of the thread. So we unscrew the old cap. Screw on the new cap. Make sure it's snug. And that's really all there is to it. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.